Nikita Vashketov is a well-known YouTuber. He is a cheerful individual who appreciates life a ton. Further, he is effectively associated with web-based entertainment stages. In addition, he has shared his way of life, his youngsters, and his significant others' photos on Instagram. Vlad and Niki are two of America's most popular YouTube channels. It's a children's channel with family-friendly programming. It revolves around the lives of two brothers, Vladislav and Nikita Vashketov. They are the children of a Russian-American family. Vlad and Nikita are two of the most popular men on social media in the American media industry. The level of fame that these kids have is unfathomable. On social media, even the most well-known superstars struggle to get numerous such followers. The YouTube channel is allegedly managed by the lead children's parents. Nikita Vashketov, the bright younger brother, was born on June 4, 2015. He likes to travel, sketch, sing, dress up, dance and be creative. In addition, he enjoys DIY hobbies, arts and crafts and baking. In addition, he enjoys the prospect of baking pies in his spare time. He is also bilingual as a student. Vlad, the oldest brother, has also progressed to the level of a competitive athlete who enjoys sports, soccer and kickboxing. He is also a natural entertainer who cares deeply about animals. After school, he enjoys singing and dancing to his favorite songs such as Imagine Dragons and Maroon 5. Vlad is in the second grade and speaks fluent English and Russian. Children are captivated by the variety of toys and the characters' lifestyles. Vlad and Niki look to be a charming brotherly duo in their videos. People are drawn to them because of their love for one another, their delight and their occasional quarrels. In the Vlad and Niki story, Victoria, the lovely and energetic mother, plays a significant part. She began her career in Russia as a skilled gymnast. During competitions, the lady has always presented herself as a vibrant, outgoing gymnast who flaunts her outspoken attitude. Moreover, Vlad and Niki additionally have an authority site called Vlad and Niki Store where they sell youngsters' product.